nature explorers. I've headed into the bush by the dunes to do some mindfulness today. I'd love for you to join me. You'll need to go grab a towel or a blanket, maybe check with Mum and Dad that they're okay with you taking it outside. And we need to find a spot outside, somewhere shady. If not, could be a veranda, or you could just look out your window or even find a spot on your lounge. I'll wait for you while you go get a towel or a blanket. I'll be right here. Great! You're back with a towel or a blanket, ready to do some mindfulness. Let's find a good spot in the yard. Let's get our body comfortable. I think under this shady tree will be a perfect spot. What do you think? Have you found a perfect spot in your backyard? Stretch out your towel or blanket and let's lie down on our backs. If you like, you can put your iPad or whatever you're watching this video on down and just listen to my voice. You don't have to look at the pictures if you don't want to. Let's start by taking 3 deep breaths. Put your hand on your chest so you can feel it going up and down. Let's start. Let's breathe in and out. And in and out. Let's breathe in and out. You can feel our chest rising and filling up with air and it going down. Let's feel our body relax as we get comfortable lying here out in nature. Let's start by having a little listen to nature and what's around us. I wonder what's in your backyard that you can hear. I find it a lot easier if I close my eyes when I want to listen hard. So I'm going to close my eyes and take a moment to just listen. I could hear the waves crashing at the beach, and I could hear a bird chirping. What could you hear? Let's take some more time to listen. I'm going to listen really deeply this time. And we might hear the sounds that are far, far off in the distance. We listen really hard. Close our eyes to make it easier. And listen to nature. That time, I could hear the leaves rustling in the trees as the wind blew through them. And I think I could almost feel my heart beating. Did you hear different noises? Let's take some time to look around. You're sitting outside, you might be under a tree. Look out, and what can you see? Might be a tree, plant, bird flying by. Let's take a moment to look. Look at the shapes that you can see. Are they long, skinny branches or long, skinny leaves? Maybe they're round-shaped leaves. Look at the colours around you. Take in all that you can see. Now stare at something and stare deeper and deeper so you look far, far beyond. And maybe now you can see the tiny little leaves at the top of the tree. And take a look around. Maybe spot a bird's nest in a tree. or an ant climbing on a plant. Or maybe it's just the leaves blowing in the wind and you can see them moving. Now that we've taken time to listen and see what's around us, let's take some time to smell. Let's take a big deep breath in. And another one. What can you smell? Sometimes you can smell rain. It might be your lawn. Maybe the grass was freshly cut. Maybe you can smell some beautiful flowers that are close by. Now I want you to find a special spot, something around you. It might be the branch of a tree, it might be a big leaf, it might be a flower or a rock that you can see. I want you to stare at it and think about it. And we're going to use our imagination. We're going to close our eyes and imagine you are a tiny little creature on that branch or leaf or rock. Maybe you're an ant, a stink bug, a beetle, or even a butterfly. Think about some adventures you might like to have. You might meet some other friends along the way as well. Now you can take all the time you need to create an amazing, imaginative story in your mind. Let your body relax and enjoy being outside in nature. And I will talk to you soon. I can't wait to hear your story.